test of the Cardo PackTalk Edge connected directly through the Bluetooth connection of the Ace Pro camera. This is a test of the Cardo PackTalk Edge connected directly to the Insta360 Ace Pro via the Bluetooth pairing protocol using the stick-on microphone in the helmet versus the previous test with a boom microphone. This is with the visor open. This is with the visor closed, testing the audio quality of this connection to the camera. This is a test of the Cardo PackTalk Edge connected via Bluetooth protocol and the bike connection to the Insta360 Ace Pro. As you can see, I'm utilizing the Insta360 GPS preview remote to communicate back and forth with the camera. This is the view from the chin bar mount on my dirt bike helmet, looking out my office window. As you can see, it's spitting rain and snow outside this morning, and it's far too cold to ride, so testing this on the bike will have to wait for another day.